Middleweight cruiser motorcycles, Virago 535 review, vintage cruiser for beginners? Yamaha Virago 535, middleweight cruiser motorcycles, beginner cruiser, Virago 535 review, vintage cruiser, reliable motorcycle, entry-level cruiser, YouTube motorcycle reviews. When it comes to middleweight cruiser motorcycles, few bikes have left as lasting an impression as the Yamaha Virago 535. Produced from the late 1980s through the early 2000s, the Virago 535 was Yamaha's answer to riders seeking a stylish, approachable, and reliable cruiser. Today, decades after its release, it is still remembered as a vintage cruiser for beginners, a motorcycle that combined ease of use with classic cruiser appeal. At the core of the Virago 535 review lies its unique balance of size and performance. Powered by a 535 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine, it produced smooth and manageable power, perfect for riders transitioning from smaller bikes to something more substantial. With a low seat height and lightweight chassis, the bike offered excellent confidence for new riders, while still being capable enough to handle longer rides. This balance made it a popular choice as an entry-level cruiser. Styling was another strong suit. The vintage cruiser design featured a teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and spoked wheels, giving the Virago 535 a timeless look. Unlike many larger, bulkier cruisers, the Virago carried its style with a more compact and approachable footprint, which appealed to both beginner and smaller stature riders. Reliability was one of the Yamaha Virago 535's most praised attributes. Known as a reliable motorcycle, it required minimal maintenance and proved durable over decades of use. Many owners have clocked tens of thousands of miles without major issues, solidifying its reputation as one of the most dependable beginner cruisers of its time. On YouTube motorcycle reviews, the Virago 535 continues to shine, achieving impressive engagement among enthusiasts. Channels dedicated to retro and budget-friendly motorcycles often highlight the Virago as one of the best starter cruisers of the 1990s. Some restoration and customization videos featuring the bike have reached hundreds of thousands of views, as riders showcase how this vintage Yamaha can be transformed into bobbers, cafe racers, or modernized customs. One notable viral video comparing the Virago 535 to modern entry-level cruisers, such as the Honda Rebel and Kawasaki Eliminator, surpassed 1 million views, proving that interest in the bike remains strong. Comments sections are filled with nostalgia from riders who learned to ride on a Virago and still consider it one of the most forgiving motorcycles ever built. Conclusion: the Yamaha Virago 535 remains one of the most influential middleweight cruiser motorcycles of its era. As a beginner cruiser, it offered just the right combination of style, power, and comfort. Its vintage cruiser aesthetics, combined with the legendary reliability of Yamaha engineering, cemented its place as a true classic. Thanks to its ongoing presence in YouTube motorcycle reviews and restoration projects, the Virago 535 continues to inspire a new generation of riders who are discovering why this reliable motorcycle is still worth riding today.